I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more.
Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a headband wig review video. I have done one of these one time on my channel before, and that video was in collaboration with Luvme Hair, and we are collaborating with them again today. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So you guys seem to really like that other headband wig. It was like a kinky straight, natural color, like maybe like 16, 18 inch wig. This one is a little different. So you guys know it comes packaged in the box just like this. And then when you open it up, your wig is gonna be inside with this little bag and inside of a hairnet. And then they give you a whole pack of headbands to go with it. And then a little note that from them that just says to enjoy your hair. And then they also give you, let's see, a wig cap, a nude one, the little return policy and stuff. And then there's this little purple bag. Oh, how cute. A Luvme hair clip, some tweezers, bobby pins. Oh, an edge brush, how cute. Okay, edge brush. And then, oh, I think this is a edge scarf. Let's see. Oh yeah, you guys, it's an edge scarf. Okay, so that's really nice. Okay, wow, that's some nice gifts. So, okay, let's go ahead and put on the wig. So I already have on my wig cap. This is the wig right here, you guys. It is a burgundy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so soft and just, I love the curl pattern. It's this burgundy color. You can see the whole thing here. And then y'all know the deal. It comes with the black headband around the front, this part in the back, and then of course, inside of your cap has four combs going around. So all I'm gonna do is undo this.
I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. It's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
Okay, you guys, so I have put the wig on my head. This is what it looks like. And I don't even know if I want to put any water on it. I was going to, but honestly, I kind of like it like this. I think I want a little bigger though, so I'm gonna kind of finger comb through the curls. Yeah, I definitely like it bigger. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on one of the headbands. Let's see what we have here. I think, oh, they gave you 5. Okay, so this like camo print, this one. Yeah, so these are all cute, you guys. I think I'm gonna put the camo one on. I think that might be cute for today. It kind of goes with this a little bit. Okay guys, so I went ahead and changed the headband to this cheetah print one. I think this one looks super cute. And I just put a little bit of heat. So I just took my curling wand and just put a little bit of heat right there to help it lay a little flatter. And I think it looks really, really cute. I was thinking about using some of the like red hair paint for my edges to kind of like pretend that it was all burgundy, but I think this is okay because it's kind of like ombre. You know, like if your hair was like dark root into this, then you would do your eyebrows, you know, like a dark color. So I feel like it can go. So I was a little worried about that because this unit does not have like a dark root since it's a headband wig, right? So it's just all one color. But yeah, but I think this is really cute. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It has no product on it at all. Nothing. Not even water, nothing. All I did was comb my fingers through it, and this is how it looks, and I love that. Super duper cute. So yeah, I don't really think I have anything else to say about it. The caps, I'm sorry about my light, guys, it keeps going out over here, but I was about to say the cap size of the wig, I have a big head and it fits me, so I feel like it's fine. Like you can pretty much get in it, and you guys know that you can wear this because it's a headband wig, you know, up in a bun, ponytail, whatever, but I'll be wearing mine just like this. So yeah, I really like this unit, super cute. I will link the unit in the description box down below. You guys leave a comment, let me know if you like the wig, and if you guys have any other headband wigs from Luvme Hair, comment that down below as well, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Lastly, my outfit is from my online store, Ajay Official. This is just a little loungewear fit, top and shorts. Super cute for just being at home around the house. So I will have my website in the description box down below as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.